Namaste students. In this video, we are going to see exercise 8.2, third and fourth problem. First third problem, if tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, then 0 degree less than a plus b less than or equal to 90 degree. This must be lie in between 0 and 90 degree, and a greater than b. A greater than b. Find the value of a and b. First write the given tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. Now see the table. In tan, when we will get root 3? When we will get root 3? 60 degree. Tan 60 degree. In that we will get root 3. So I'm going to write that one. Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. And when you will get 1 by root 3? See here, see the table. 1 by root 3 is here. When you will get tan 30 degree. So write tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Equate this to. So we can cancel tan and tan, root 3 and root 3. So remaining is a plus b instead of a plus b. In that place what we have? A 60 degree. A plus b is equal to 60 degree. Equate these two lines and write a plus b is equal to 60 degree. And then here what we will get? A minus b is equal to 30 degree. So mark this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. Now I'm going to simplify these two equations and I'm going to find a and b. By which method we can find the value of a and b? I'm going to find the value by using elimination method, which we studied in pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, first write the first equation. A plus b is equal to 60 degree, and then second equation, a minus b is equal to 30 degree. Here no need to multiply by any number because one is in positive and another one is in negative, and don't have any number also, so we can cancel it straight away. Okay, here I'm going to cancel b. The remaining is a plus a is 2a is equal to 60 degree plus 30 degree is 90 degree. 2a is equal to 90 degree, then a is equal to 90 by 2. If we cancel, what we will get? A is equal to 45 degree. A is equal to 45 degree. And substitute a is equal to 45 degree in first equation. A plus b is equal to 60 degree in the first equation. What you will get? 45 degree plus b is equal to 60 degree. Then b is equal to 60 minus 45 degree. B is equal to 15 degree. So what is the value of A? A is 45 degree and B is 15 degree. This is very important problem and very easy problem also. Are you all clear, children? Next, fourth problem in exercise 8.2. If sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2 and cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2, 0 less than A plus B less than or equal to 90 degree. A greater than B and find the value of A and B. Now you divide into 2 and write the two given. Sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2 and A plus B is equal to 1 by root 2. Like the before problem only, you have to see when sin is 1 by 2. When sin is 1 by 2, sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. So write sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. And then when you will get 1 by 2 in cos, when we will get in 60 degree. So cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Compare these two lines. Okay, then what we will get? A minus B is equal to 30 degree and here A plus B is equal to 60 degree. Mark this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. Then write the two equations. A minus B is equal to 30 degree and second equation A plus B is equal to 60 degree. We can cancel minus B and plus B. What we will get? 2A is equal to 90 degree. A is equal to 90 divided by 2. Then A is equal to 45 degree. Now next what we have to do? Substitute A is equal to 45 degree in equation 1. A minus B is equal to 30 degree. So instead of A, I am going to substitute 45 degree minus B is equal to 30 degree. Then I am going to shift 45 to right hand side. Minus 45. So if we subtract, what we will get? Minus 15. We can cancel the negatives and B is equal to 15 degree. So the value of A is 45 degree and B is 15 degree. See whether it satisfies the given condition that A less than A plus B less than or equal to 90. If you add this two, means what you will get? 60 degree. So this 45 degree and 15, if you add, what you will get? 60 degree. So it lies between 0 and 90 degree. Yeah, first condition is correct. Next, the second condition is A greater than B. So the value of A is 45 degree and the value of B is 15 degree. Yeah, that one also correct. A greater than B. So the value of A is 45 degree and the value of B is 15 degree. Are you all clear, children? Thank you.